Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be showing you how to secure your WhatsApp from hackers or unauthorized users. To begin, go to your WhatsApp. Look at the far right end of your screen. You see a 3 dotted lines. Click on it. You see settings. Click on settings. Go to accounts. First, I want to show you how to secure your WhatsApp using a fingerprint. To begin, we'll still need to go to privacy. Go down. Click on fingerprint lock. As you can see, I've already enabled my own. So with that, I'll show you how I did it. From these options, you see that you'll be able to activate a fingerprint lock on this device in order to secure your WhatsApp account from hackers or unauthorized persons. You can lock it. You can set it to lock immediately. You can set it to lock after 1 minute and equally set it to lock after 30 minutes. The best option is to set it to lock immediately, because with that you'll be able to lock the WhatsApp immediately. Another thing you need to take note of right now is, as you can see, the last option in this section, you see that it shows show contents in notification. I've closed it. It's off. So automatically, if a new message comes into my WhatsApp, you see that there is a privacy that it will only give notification without showing the content. By so doing, if a fingerprint is activated in this section, you see that it should show green at the right hand side of your screen as applicable here. That means I have activated the fingerprint lock on this device. You go back to the second option of securing your WhatsApp accounts from hackers. The second one is two-step verification. As you can see here, I've already locked mine. So by so doing, when you come here for the first time, you see that it will tell you to enter your 6-digit verification code. That is your PIN that will help secure your WhatsApp. When you enable it, it will end the section with an email. In case you forget the PIN, you can use the email to retrieve the PIN or to retrieve your WhatsApp account. We go back. Another way to secure your WhatsApp accounts from hackers is to lock your phone. Always lock your phone with a fingerprint or a password or a pattern. By so doing, you secure your phone from hackers. Another thing you need to know is locking your phone with password. It will help other things on your phone to be secure, like this privacy. Locking your phone with this fingerprints option still stand out to be the best, because No one else has your fingerprint except you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.